A Nissan 350z and 370z wheel spacers save. Quality Nissan 350z or 370z wheel spacers are exactly safe than mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to a corresponding wheel hub by the clamping force, are treated by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All processes are transmitted through each Nissan hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Nissan wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric Nissan 350z and 370z wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Nissan wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. The Nissan 350z wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for tighter fit, providing a minimum chance of wheel vibration. Quality Nissan 350z wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Nissan wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that both ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, both aluminum Nissan 350z wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Nissan wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in road-time maintenance. BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric Nissan wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub branch, eliminating any possible gap. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Nissan 350z and 370z wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric Nissan wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of wheel vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS active cooling Nissan 350z and 370z wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in capsule shape. These screws allow diurnal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat diffusion effect and improving safety. Also, the BONOSS active cooling Nissan wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.